In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find message requests on Twitter X in just a few easy steps. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick social media tips and tutorials. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the app loads, tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages section. Now look toward the top right corner and tap on the settings or options icon. A small menu will appear on your screen. From there, tap on requests. After opening it, you'll see messages sent by people you don't currently follow on X. These messages stay in the requests section until you decide what to do with them. Tap on any message request to open and read it. From here, you can choose to accept the request, delete it, or block the person if needed. If you tap accept, the chat will automatically move into your main messages inbox, and you'll be able to continue the conversation normally. This feature is really useful because it helps keep unwanted messages separate, while still allowing you to see important messages from new people.